It's amazing how much tech is packed into a smartwatch. Let's break one down, layer by layer. We're going to explore every single part, starting right from the top and working our way in. First up, the screen. It's covered in sapphire protective glass, which is super scratch-resistant. Think about this. It's one of the hardest materials out there, second only to diamond. Right underneath that, you've got the touchscreen layer. This is how the watch feels your touch. It registers all your taps and swipes, letting you control everything on that tiny screen. Next is the display panel, a tiny OLED screen that creates the beautiful images you see. Each pixel makes its own light. That's why the colors are so vivid and bright. Okay, now we get to the brains of the operation, the main logic board and its processor. This little chip runs the whole show, and it does it without draining your battery. Also on that board, the wireless module. This is how your watch talks to the world. It connects to your phone with Bluetooth, grabs Wi-Fi, and even handles payments. Then there's the motion sensor. This thing knows exactly how you're moving, thanks to some cool tech. One part tracks movement, the other tracks rotation. Together, they get the full picture. So what powers all this stuff? A tiny but mighty rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's smaller than a postage stamp, yet lasts for days and charges wirelessly. Pretty cool, right? And at the very bottom, right against your skin, is the heart rate sensor. It uses green LED lights to actually see the blood flowing and calculate your heart rate. So there you have it, from the tough glass on top to the health sensors below. It's incredible, isn't it? All that power on your wrist. So what's coming next?